This is the remnants of a grandfather clock hood that's been in a bit of an accident. I've got to put it back together again. Any old damage I'm leaving, things like this where it's sort of broken away, but a long time ago I'm just making it look like it did before the accident, so that's going to be left. There is a return moulding here that seems to be missing. Unless it turns up before I get round to it, I'll have to make another one of those, because it looks like a fresh brake, so I think that's come off during the accident, but where that piece has gone I don't know. So I need to clean up anything, joints like that, get them glued together, try and get everything solid in the top. The door's broken there, it's loose there, there's a chunk missing there, but that's in this bag. That's been glued together before. There's a screw in there which I'm going to have to try and get out. The glass isn't broken, which is good, but I do have to get that screw out, which is going to make life a little bit more difficult with the glass in. So I'm going to start with the top and get this piece glued back in. So I need to clean off any glue, get a good bond again, glue it back. This is the pin that holds the pillar in place. Just need to try and clean this glue off without damaging any of these bits of veneer that's sticking up. I've cleaned it up as best I can. I've taken a bit off here because it wasn't reaching anyway, so I want a bit bigger gap so I can slip a piece of pine in so it'll actually glue wood to wood and hold better. There's a lot of animal glue, so it's obviously not been a good wood to wood bond round here and here, but I'll get it as good as I can, glue it up, and I'll put a few wooden dowels in just to hold it. Bridge that piece, little glue block on the back which I took out, and then start putting all the bits back on. So this is glued up quite well. It all feels pretty solid. I don't think I need to put a dowel in there. This piece here is made from one piece of pine with the grain running that way, which makes that a little bit weak. But it's the same both sides, and it feels okay, so I'm going to leave that. I'll just put the return piece on there. This side, bits of that were missing, but it wasn't worth putting what was left back. I thought I'll take all that out, and I've chiselled this bit down so it's nice and level. Take that pin out that holds the pillar in. I'll put a new piece of wood in there, re-drill the hole for this, and then put the veneers back on. So I'm going to cut a piece out for this. So there's a bit of pine, and I'm cutting it with the grain in the same direction, so I'm going to cut down there and use that piece and trim it up till it fits in there. Now I'll glue that on and then I'll just trim the excess off the front face of that. The majority of the top piece is now done. That needs gluing in, but it does overhang a little bit at the bottom. Now I'm not sure whether that will interfere with the door or not, so I'll leave that until it's all together, and if it does interfere with the door I'll trim a little bit off the top so it goes up a bit higher, because all the grain runs that way, all the carcass, so that might have shrunk and let that hang down a little bit, so I'll leave that till the end. These need replacing. That one's just broken off, but there's no way I'm going to glue that back and it'll stay, so I'll replace that and the other one, and this will need a bit of tidying up to disguise those brakes, so I'll just sand that down a little bit and repolish it. Hopefully the colour won't change, and that'll be most of it done.